Hello friends, today I am reviewing the Leader Spyder 27.5T 7-speed mountain bike with front suspension and dual disc brake. What a beautiful weather for reviewing the bike. I bought this bike about a month back and the price was around 8,500. The bike came in 90% assembled condition with tools and tackles and instruction to assemble, and to top it all, free doorstep expert assembly service was included in the package. The plus point of this bike is that it has a lifetime frame warranty, which is made of alloy steel, which is lightweight but sturdy. The gear shifts are very smooth. The disc brake is very good with a dead stop facility. The tires have a very good grip. The front suspension is good but needs a fine tuning. The only thing is missing in this bike that I find is that it should come with front and rear mudguard, because a cycle needs mudguard to prevent the water from splashing on the rider itself. So that is one sore point that the seller should include in the package. So all in all, very good bike at a very cheap price, value for money. I'd recommend that you should go for it. And this is going to be a leader in the bicycle industry in India. Thank you.